Soona is a game changer for creators and businesses alike, but before diving in, there are a few things you need to know that can impact how you use it and how it compares to other tools out there. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Soona is the right fit for you, and I'll even tell you how you can try it for free with exclusive benefits. Let's start with how Soona stands out in the crowded world of content creation tools. Unlike its competitors, which can sometimes have steep learning curves or hefty subscription costs, Soona's simplicity and ease of use are its major selling points. From my experience, this tool is built for those who want results fast without getting lost in complex features that you'll rarely use. Next thing, pricing. Soona is more flexible than most. While others like Adobe or even Canva charge hefty monthly fees, Soona allows for a more cost-effective approach, especially for smaller businesses or solo creators. And if you're just getting started, the free trial option is a game changer. You get full access to key features without breaking the bank. That's something you don't often see with competitors that want you locked into long-term commitments. The third thing you'll want to know is Soona's intuitive interface. It's not just user-friendly, it's designed for speed. You can drag and drop your content, make adjustments, and publish in minutes. For anyone who's used something like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro, you'll immediately notice that Soona skips the learning curve and allows you to create professional quality content in a fraction of the time. No more wasting hours trying to figure out complicated menus. Now, the fourth thing you should consider is collaboration. If you're working with a team or sharing your projects with clients, Soona's real-time collaboration tools are second to none. While tools like Canva allow team access, Soona really takes it a step further with live chat and shared editing, making the process smoother than ever. This is a huge plus if you're managing multiple clients or working in a fast-paced environment. The fifth thing is speed. If you're serious about content creation, you'll appreciate how fast Soona is compared to others. The software is optimized for speed. And when you're creating on tight deadlines, this can make all the difference. Whether you're in a rush to create a marketing video or an image post, Soona helps you do it in a fraction of the time compared to something like Adobe Premiere or other software that demands more from your hardware. Next thing, and this is crucial, Soona integrates seamlessly with other platforms. Unlike some tools that keep you locked into their ecosystem, Soona plays well with others. You can easily sync it with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and even social media management tools like Buffer and Hootsuite. This saves you a ton of time, as you don't have to jump back and forth between platforms. And finally, the last thing to know is Soona's customer support. While many competitors leave you hanging when you run into issues, Soona's customer service stands out. With 24/7 support, you can get your questions answered quickly, whether you're troubleshooting or need guidance on maximizing the software's potential. If all this sounds like it could make your content creation process smoother and more efficient, then you really need to give Soona a try. You can test it out for free by clicking the first link in the description below. By using that link, you'll also get exclusive benefits to make your experience even better. So, if you're ready to upgrade your content creation process and try out Soona, hit that first link below for the best free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.